Have you ever looked at a broken fan and thought it was completely useless? Today I'll show you how an old fan capacitor, taken from a non-working fan, can be turned into a simple yet effective homemade antenna. If you already have a fan capacitor at home, there's no need to worry too much about its exact specifications. The most important thing is that the wires are still long enough, not cut too short, so making the connections is simple and easy. Next, I have a male power plug. This part will act as the main body of the homemade antenna, serving as the link between the signal collecting section and the signal receiving section. Using the two wires from the fan capacitor, I'll connect them directly to the power plug. The goal here is to use the capacitor itself as the signal receiving component of this homemade antenna. There's really no more practical choice than using a power socket as the base of the antenna. It not only provides a solid connection to the antenna itself, but also allows the signal to be cleanly and efficiently transferred from the antenna down through the cable. Here in my hand is a piece of coaxial cable. This will connect to the power socket and carry the signal straight to the TV. The wiring is quite simple. Just watching it once should be enough for anyone to replicate it easily. At the end of the cable that connects to the TV, we'll need to add one straight F connector and one 90-degree F connector. This setup makes the connection neater and much more convenient when plugging into the TV's antenna port. Everything is now fully assembled. And with that done, there's no reason to wait any longer. Let's put it to the test. Before I connect this homemade antenna to the TV, I want to verify one thing first. This is to make sure everyone can trust that the result isn't staged, and that at this moment the TV is genuinely showing no signal. Just moments after connecting it, the device picked up a TV signal almost instantly. That's an impressive result, but to be certain, we still need to wait a bit longer and see whether the signal remains stable over time. After waiting for a while, we haven't noticed anything unusual at all. So, to be thorough, I decided to unplug it and plug it back in, just to see whether the device still works as well and as steadily as before. And after everything we've tested, it's clear that this homemade antenna works quite reliably. From just an old fan capacitor and a few very common parts, we've created something that actually works. DIY doesn't always require expensive tools. What really matters is understanding the basics and being willing to try. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next project.